Hey y'all, it's Reagan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red button down below and subscribe. Join the family. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all what I eat in a day. I love watching these videos, and so I thought I would share them with y'all. This is definitely my summer edition because this is not the same things that I would normally eat when I was back in New York, because I do go to college in New York, if you didn't know that. I am currently home for the summer in my parents' house, so I eat a little differently when I'm here. It is the middle of the day now. I've already filmed my morning and my lunch, and I will be filming my dinner in a little while. But if you want to see what I eat in a day, just keep watching. Good morning. It is about 8:15 now. I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast because I have to take my dogs to a vet appointment at 8:45. So I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast and some fruit, and then of course my coffee and some water, because that's just like what I like to do in the mornings. I know I've made avocado toast on here before, but we're gonna do it again because I mean it's a real what I eat in a day, and that's what I eat in a day. We're gonna go ahead and get the coffee maker heating up and get the toaster out. The bread I've been using and really liking is this French brioche bread from Walmart. It has like a very sweety flavor to it, and so I'm actually really been liking it. It's like a sweet salty mix between all the spices I use and the avocado and then the sweet bread. Then I just have a half of avocado that I'm going to use. I'm probably not going to use this whole thing. I'll probably use half of this on my avocado toast. And then for fruit, I'm going to cut up a banana. For coffee this morning, I'm going to be using the Green Mountain Nantucket blend. It is seriously such good coffee, and I drink my coffee black, and it's one of the only coffees that actually tastes good black. I have a few different seasonings I like to use. I use garlic powder, chili powder, sea salt, and onion powder. And without all of these seasonings, I do not like avocado toast. So I have to apply these every single time I make it, or it's not good. So we're on the way to the grocery store now to get some stuff because I'm filming what I eat in a day and don't even have any groceries for healthy stuff to eat. So we're going to the grocery store and we're gonna get a ton of good stuff, and then we're gonna eat lunch. I think we might stop and get some coffee, so I'll show you that, and then I might do a little bit of a vlog clip around the grocery store, and I might tell you some things we got. I don't know if I should do a grocery haul. Should I do a grocery haul in this video or not? Yes. Like a what I ate in a day plus a healthy grocery haul. Maybe I'll do that. At the coffee shop, thought I'd go get some coffee. Back in the car, got a latte, unsweetened, and Kendall got, what'd you get, Kendall?
An iced vanilla latte.
I'll pick it up. It's right here. And then I also had a bite of her little pastry that she got. But now we're gonna go get some groceries. Let's go. So we're gonna do a grocery haul. She's probably not gonna do it. I look so pale. Like this look right here is what I call natural is beautiful.
Tanner. I got waxing strips because I'm a hairy girl. Go, come leaving.
Golly, I'm sorry about that. It's just such an inconvenience in my life. Okay, we're gonna do a haul now. Sorry about that. Kendall's okay. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Bare Naked granola, fruit and nuts. I really like dried fruit in my granola. Put this in my yogurt parfaits. Really good. I got some organic baby spinach. I use this for a bunch of things, mainly putting it in my smoothies in the morning. A ton of bananas, because this isn't just for me. A lot of this is for my family too, because I am home for the summer and we go through a ton of bananas, so I got a ton. I always get a sliced turkey meat from the deli. I just feel like it's a lot more fresher than buying it prepackaged. So I got a pound of fresh sliced turkey meat. I love cheese. I eat cheese as like one of my main snacks and like meals. So I got this little cheese platter. It has pepper jack, cheddar jack, Asiago, and extra sharp cheddar. This is some of my favorite cheeses. It's really good. Big thing of raspberries because I like snacking on this and also putting it in my yogurt. Avocados, of course, because I love avocado toast. Like I said, I like cheese, so I also got a thing of smoked Gouda. It's not pre-sliced, so I'll just slice it myself, but this is gonna be so good on chips and like crackers. Smoked Gouda is like such a good cheese. And then someone told me to try this, so I picked it up. It is mozzarella like cheese sticks wrapped in prosciutto. And it looks like it's gonna be a really good snack, so I'm excited to try that. And then some of my new favorite peaches to get that I tried in Europe that were so good are donut peaches. They are legit shaped like donuts, and they're so good. Big thing of grapes. I love grapes. Such a good snack. I got a ginormous prepackaged Caesar salad. It comes with everything you need, chicken, cheese, and the dressing. It's not the healthiest, but it's so good for like an easy meal. Then I got some Synergy organic kombucha. This is the Mystic mango flavor. I really like kombucha, and Kendall picked this one out because she wanted to try kombucha, and so I'll let you know if this one's any good. I got a pineapple. Absolutely love pineapple. I always buy them uncut, and then I just wait until they're nice and ripe. You can tell if a pineapple's ripe by smelling its butt. So this one is almost ripe, but I like for the yellow to come up a little bit more, and then it's perfect to cut. And then I also got 2 Asian mangoes, or they're also called like baby papayas. Not baby papayas, but they're called papayas, but they're actually more like mangoes, and they're so good. I love cutting these up and putting them in my smoothies and in my yogurt. So that's everything I got for this haul. I'm probably gonna put all of this up and then go ahead and make lunch, so I will see y'all in a little while. Okay, so for lunch, I think I'm gonna make a little miniature version of a charcuterie board. If you ever watch my videos in New York, I do this actually a lot. I just think it's so simple and easy, and I actually love this type of thing for lunch. I don't like anything really big for lunch. So I'm gonna take my cheese board and then my sliced turkey, and then also these pita sea salt crackers that are so good. I like to like make almost like mini sandwiches, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. So this is really all it is, nothing fancy, but it's seriously like just so good and such an easy snack. And then I'll probably pair this with some fruit. I might grab some grapes because I think grapes really go with a charcuterie board. I feel like this is like a redneck charcuterie board, but you know, it's good, and I'm really never fancy with my meals. I just eat what I'm feeling and like what feels good, but that's also still healthy, and this is like still so healthy because it's only a little bit of carbs, but you still get your fats and your proteins. It is now 4:02 and I'm about to eat a little snack. I think I might have one of these, maybe 2, we shall see. I've never tried them, so I'm gonna see how good they are. I know you'll probably think I eat a lot of meat and cheese, but that's because I do. Because I like more protein and more fats than carbs. This is really good though. I'm also gonna eat a few raspberries because these look so delicious. So I'm about to cook dinner now. It takes about 40 minutes to cook, so I'm going to prep it all, put it in the oven, and then go work out. That's why I am dressed like this. And tonight I am making stuffed bell peppers. My mom made them the other night, just like she saw it on Pinterest, made it. They were so good, y'all, and so they're super easy, and so I'm gonna make them now. And I'm gonna make 2, one for me, one for Kendall right here, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I'm gonna first cut the oven to 400 and let that start heating up. So take 2 bell peppers, red and yellow are my favorite, and then scoop out the insides. And then you're gonna wanna take a small glass dish, fill it up with a thin layer of water. I already pre-prepped the meat to go inside. It is just some lean ground beef. I cooked it and then added taco seasoning and drained a can of Rotel and added Rotel. And then you can stuff your bell peppers any way you like, as much as you want. And then I like to take Mexican shredded cheese and add it on top. And then once you're done filling it to your desires, cover that sucker with tinfoil and pop it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Worked out, nice and sweaty, built up a big ol' appetite. I'm about to take the peppers out of the oven and I am so hungry. And they smell so good. I can like smell them in the kitchen right now. I'm so excited. And then ice cream for dessert. It's called Balance. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.